lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it is all about creating the lifestyle that you love. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this video is going to be all about how to enhance and make a big impact on your small bathroom. Now, every time I see videos like this, I always wonder, if you're telling me what to do in my house, are you doing it in yours? So the answer to that is absolutely yes. I'm going to be using my very small powder room as an example. But the things that I'm going to talk about that I incorporated in my powder room, it makes a big impact. It makes a big statement. And when my guests walk into my powder room, they are absolutely wowed about the things that they see. So in this video, I am going to be giving you 5 steps to make a big impact and a big statement on a small bathroom. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so one of the first tips that I want to give you in regards to making a big statement and a big impact on your small bathroom is adding in textures and shapes. Now, you can do this in so many different ways. You can incorporate textures and shapes by using a bathroom rug. You can incorporate textures and shapes by using tabletop decor, just depending on if you have, shelving or floating shelves in your bathroom. You can incorporate texture by using wallpaper. You can incorporate it with wall art or wall decor. There's so many different ways that you can incorporate this into your bathroom. When I decided to redesign my bathroom, I opted to go for this particular pedestal sink. It kind of reminds me of an ice cream swirl, but I know that it was going to make a statement in my bathroom. I know that it was going to be different. I knew that it was going to be a wow factor when you entered my powder room. I also added textures and shapes by the wall art that I selected on my bathroom wall in my powder room, as well as I incorporated a vase in the windowsill that came from CB2. And as you can see, the vase is very similar to the pedestal sink. It gives that shape of circular and swirls, and it also goes very good with the color combination. As you can see, my powder room is a very moody bathroom, so I went with a color combination of black, white, and gold. So ensure when you're styling your small bathroom that you're adding in those textures and shapes. And you can go with bold patterns without it being overwhelming in the space. By doing this, it adds a touch of luxury to your bathroom, and it takes your small bathroom to another level. So these are the types of things that catches your guest's eye when they enter your bathroom, but you definitely want to incorporate textures and shapes into your small bathroom. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so the second tip that I want to give you to make a big statement, a big impact in a small bathroom is adding an accent wall. You can do this using wallpaper. You can do this using paint. You can do this using tile. You can do this using stone. You can do this using wood or shiplap. There's so many different options that you can use to add an accent wall in your bathroom, and it doesn't have to be permanent. Now, by adding an accent wall, this is definitely gonna add a touch of luxury to your small bathroom, and it's gonna take it up to another level. By incorporating an accent wall into your bathroom, is definitely gonna catch your guest's eye as soon as they walk into the bathroom. Now, in my particular bathroom, I did an accent wall by using a hexagon design tile. This is a porcelain tile that I had my contractor come in and install. However, before I had the tile installed, I did have like a grass cloth black wallpaper that I purchased from Amazon on this wall. So if you don't want to commit to something permanent by adding stone or porcelain tile, you definitely can incorporate an accent wall into your bathroom using wallpaper. And as I stated in the first tip, lifestyle lovers, if you decide to incorporate wallpaper on your accent wall, you want to make sure you choose a very bold wallpaper. You want to choose something with different shapes and sizes, because you can select a bold pattern without it overwhelming the space. So be sure when you're designing your small bathroom that you definitely incorporate an accent wall. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the third tip of how to make a big impact in a small bathroom is light fixtures. Light fixtures can make a big impact in a very small bathroom. So if you decide to splurge on anything when you design your small bathroom, make sure that it's your lighting, your light fixtures. You can incorporate pennant light fixtures in small bathrooms. You can incorporate sconces. You can incorporate picture lights. You can incorporate recessed lighting. Decide what type of lighting that you want for your small bathroom. Call an electrician in and let them tell you what you can and cannot do. You may can incorporate pennant lights in your bathroom. You may can incorporate sconce lighting in your bathroom. Lighting in a small bathroom makes a big impact. So by selecting the right lighting, it can take your small bathroom to another level and help to maximize your space. And the thing about it is, the bathroom is already small. So you can get away with splurging on the lighting and using higher price materials when you decide to incorporate lighting into your small bathroom. So if you're going to splurge on anything in your bathroom, definitely splurge on the light fixtures. In my powder room, I incorporate this globe lighting that I purchased from a lighting company that I found online. I also have LED lights behind my mirror in my bathroom. I typically don't turn the LED lights on until I'm expecting guests, but it just creates a mood in my bathroom. I also incorporated picture lights above my wall art. So I have a very moody bathroom. It's not really bright, and that's really how I like it. So all of the lighting that I have incorporated in my particular powder room, it fits the aesthetic of my powder room because I'm going for like a moody type vibe. So I did not want anything very bright, but these are several different variations of lighting that I use in my bathroom. The LED lights, the picture lights, as well as the lights above my mirror. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the fourth tip of how to make a big statement, a big impact in a small bathroom is a large mirror. You definitely want to go with a large mirror in a small bathroom. The mirror that I selected from my powder room, it pretty much covers the entire wall. This was a mirror that I found at Home Goods when I was shopping at Home Goods. I came home, I measured my space, and I picked up the mirror because I wanted something that was huge. Mirrors already create the illusion of a bigger space, so you do not want a teeny tiny mirror in a small bathroom. So when you're making a mirror selection for your small bathroom, make sure you go big. Measure the space, decide what type of mirror you want, and start shopping for it. My personal preference, I would select a mirror that pretty much covers the entire wall above your sink, because you definitely want to go big, you want to go large when you're selecting a mirror for your small bathroom. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so last but not least, the fifth tip that I want to give you to make a big impact in a small bathroom is hidden storage. Your bathroom is already small. Well, I know mine is. I can't speak for you. My bathroom is already small. So the last thing that you want to do is have a small bathroom look cluttered. Now, I will tell you, using my powder room as an example, I do not have the opportunity to add a lot of storage unless I added floating shelves, which I did not want to incorporate in my bathroom. It just doesn't fit the aesthetic. However, this is a guest bathroom. This is a bathroom that my guests use when they come over. And if you have ever been to someone's house, you went to use the bathroom and you realized that there was not any more tissue. That is something that I hate that happens. That is something that I do not want to happen to my guests. So one of the things that I utilized in my particular powder room for hidden storage is a toilet tissue holder. So if my guests come to use the bathroom and there's no more tissue on the roll, they have the toilet tissue there as their disposal. It also has a top to it, so I can use this, you know, to incorporate candles or reed diffusers or poop spray. So this is a tool that I use in my powder room as hidden storage. This stores probably about 12 rolls of toilet paper. But you can also incorporate hidden storage by adding shelving in your bathroom. Some people use floating shelves. You can also use a already built shelf over the toilet. Those look very nice in bathrooms if you have the room for it, as long as it stays uncluttered. Small bathrooms typically don't have large amounts of storage. So you want to make sure that you're using that storage efficiently. My recommendation, if you have a very, very small bathroom and you have limited storage options, you want to ensure that you use that storage for bathroom essentials. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so that is pretty much it for this video. I have given you 5 tips to make a big impact in a small bathroom. And as you have seen in this video, I have incorporated all 5 of those tips in my very small powder room. But when my guests enter that powder room, they absolutely love it because it makes a statement. It makes an impact. So just to recap, you definitely want to incorporate textures and shapes into your small bathroom. You also want to ensure that you have a large mirror in your small bathroom. You want to ensure that you have hidden storage. If you have very limited storage, be sure to only store the bathroom essentials. You definitely want to incorporate an accent wall, and you definitely want to splurge on your lighting. So that is pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, be sure to subscribe before you leave. This is a lifestyle channel, so I share an array of things on this channel. I share fashion, definitely home and home decor. I'm also doing renovations in my home throughout the year, and I share snippets of my life and vlogs. So if you are interested in any of that, make sure you subscribe. As always, I hope you're having a great week, a great weekend. Whenever you're watching this, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.